It's October. First things first, we must get this changed. I am gathering all the tools that we need. I did put the propane back up onto the front of the hauler until I am able to build myself a station. I have got the crescent wrench. I have to go get some tape. See, it takes a little bit of a tape. I've got to get the hose, and I have a bottle of soapy water so we can test it when it's done. So I start by taking off and unscrewing the old pigtail. I loosen it just a little bit with the crescent wrench, screw it off, throw it away. I have a brand new pigtail connector. Now I'm getting the white tape that you use on water pipes. It's like a white plastic tape. My brother's attempting to explain to me that when you're putting this tape on, you want to wrap it in the opposite direction that you're going to be screwing. Even though we talked about it, I still wrap it the wrong way. I start to wrap it in the direction, and then my brother steps in and is like, no, because what's going to happen is that when you go to tighten it, it's going to push the tape in back. We worked that out, and now I'm re-taping in the opposite direction towards the right. Then I screw the pigtail into the regulator. It doesn't take a lot of screwing to get the hose in place. It's got some kind of inverted screw. And then I take the crescent wrench and do a quick little tighten. Then I attach the other side of the pigtail to the propane tank, turn the propane on, get the bottle of soapy water, spray the soapy water on where it attaches to each end to see if there's any soapy bubbles. I also sprayed it way over the top, which I didn't need to spray the whole entire thing. Then I went inside and did a quick vacuum of my small heater. Okay, well, it's on. It does not feel warm yet. Yes, I have heat. I'm so happy. Especially because we have a cold front coming in tonight. And it's the first freeze of the season, I guess. I'm not exactly sure. I read it briefly today. I just want to sit right next to this and not move. I gotta go get the bread out of the oven. One project down, 3 more to go. Have a great night. October's almost over.